What's going on, YouTube Metal Complex here, and today I've got yet another short little unboxing to do with you guys. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get into it here. Literally, make our usual cut, and then just rip it open. Hardly even a need for a dedicated unboxing knife. You know, there's hardly even a reason for me to continue with that joke, but continue with that joke we shall. Okay, packing material, and I can feel the box. Where are we at here? Ooh, we got another WE knife. Lots of WE knives on this channel. I'm happy for that opportunity because otherwise I would not have a chance to handle one of these. This is another knife from the Pass Around group. So that means it was provided to me and all the other reviewers by the manufacturer. Oh, yes. All right, I have been looking forward to this. Let's get the name exactly right. I'm pretty sure I know the name of it. Doesn't matter. You guys will know. Yes, have been very much looking forward to that. That's interesting. We have a version of it with the purple bolster, and then it's got blue hardware here. Interesting contrast. Okay, right off the bat, this is the smoothest knife that I have ever felt from WE knives. Absolute. Oh my gosh. So this is a little knife, and I expect to have to shake a little knife shut. We actually legitimately have, I mean, I'm working with an angle here with the camera. We have a fall shut action on this. Oh my gosh. That is very satisfying. Very, very satisfying. Perfect centering. Lockup is nice and early. No blade play, up, down, left, or right. Fantastic. Oh my gosh. Okay. Now, obviously, you know, I'm going to have to play with this a little bit to give my my real impressions on it. But right off the bat, it's very impressive. It's small, but I knew that. You know, I prepared myself to know that. Put it up against the Mermaid here. This is one of the most exciting knives to me in terms of like unboxing it and playing with it, my first impressions, and then my feelings or my desire to want to review it. This is one of the most exciting knives to me that I've ever shown on my channel. Outside of the ones that I know that I'm buying for myself and have already like XM18s. I'm always excited to review an XM18, but I've handled a million of them. This I've never handled before, and my feelings of, you know, wanting to review it, wanting to play with it, and wanting to get my thoughts on it, oh, I'm just itching to talk about it. So anyways, guys, that's going to be pretty much it for today's unboxing video. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like. And if you'd like to check out my other content, I do, of course, have lots of videos of knives that are either expensive or inexpensive that I do or don't like. So check those out. And if you enjoy all my content, then please subscribe to my channel because there's definitely more coming. Thanks for watching and have a great day.